Okay, we are recording again. I'm gonna have to add 2 videos to finish up volcanoes. Yeah, my thumb just accidentally turned off the camera. Shame on me. All right, back to where we left off. Examples would be Kilauea, Mauna Loa, Mauna Kea. Those are shield volcanoes, 3 out of 5 shield volcanoes that have built the big island of Hawaii. Remember that the other Hawaiian islands, the ones to the northeast, their volcanoes are extinct. They no longer erupt because those islands have moved off of the hot spot as the Pacific Plate continues its journey northwest. Okay, so at what kind of plate boundaries or locations do we find our shield volcanoes? And the answer here is oceanic hotspots like Hawaii and Iceland. So if you're wondering about a continental hotspot, what kind of volcano does a continental hotspot produce? It produces a supervolcano like Yellowstone. Yellowstone can go hundreds of thousands of years in between eruptions, and when it does have an eruption, it's big and it's catastrophic. So Yellowstone does not have small eruptions to produce a cone shape, but every great once in a while it has these huge caldera forming eruptions. And if you read carefully about Mount St. Helens, then you know what it takes to form a caldera, a very large eruption that pretty much empties the magma chamber and causes the volcano to collapse in on the emptied magma chamber. Okay, what else do we want to say about volcanoes? I guess that's about it. We might just give a brief reminder that Mount St. Helens, the sequence of events for that eruption, it began with a 5.1 earthquake due to shifting magma in the magma chamber. Remember, the north flank of the mountain was already weak. The north flank of the mountain slid away. Okay, this is like shaking a soda bottle and then popping the top and watching it explode. So when the north flank of the mountain slid away, that released the pressure, and all those gases that were dissolved in the magma chamber, those gases all pop up into a gas form. The magma is then frothy and the volume has increased and it has to go somewhere. Where is it going to go? It's going to explode out of the volcano. The blast was both vertical and lateral, and then we had a lahar. So let's recap that. You had a 5.1 earthquake. You had the front flank, the north flank of the mountain slide away. Then you had your pyroclastic blast, vertical and lateral, and then you had your lahar. Okay, I think that about does it for our volcano lesson for today.